I found a car!
We should explore it.
Okay! Oh look! Pokemon cards!
Well, let's take some.
Oh, hey kids. You want some Pokemon cards?
Yeah!
I told y'all to be quiet. Be quiet. What kind of idiot?
I might have broken my leg. But I'm still Spider-Man.
I can watch this all day.
What's that?
Oh my god!
Remember, kids, I'm Spider.
What's that? What happened?
Yeah, what happened? Oh, I ate a lot of Doritos.
I knew he was gonna let out a turn and get arrested.
Wait, do I hear sirens?